Hi, today in front of me NOKIA G42 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap sound and vibration section. To change the media coloring and alarm volumes, push a slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels by this way. Here you could activate and turn off the don't disturb mode to allow some calls, messages or alarms from many people or apps, to set the schedule start and the end time, and to change the duration for quick settings and display options for hidden notifications. Here we could also change the phone ringtones. To activate and turn off the live captions, in media section we could pin media player, show media on lock screen, or media recommendations. Also, we could activate and turn off shortcut to private ringing and to change notification and alarm sounds. Also, we could activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, and always to show the icon when device in vibration mode. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on now one NOKIA G42. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.